Sup, I don't really care about this, I'm just doing this for the money. Enjoy.
Barack Obama. You can kiss my shiny metal ass.
I say, I can smell your farts all the way from here.
Me Chinese me no damu.
Oh really? Remember the time you were drunk? You were chopping a pineapple screaming I'll find you someday, SpongeBob.
Alright guys, calm down, there's enough beer for everyone.
Hoops are awesome. And Obama looks like a giant one. Wait, I just called a donkey awesome. I take that back.
Yeah well. Elephants are fat and stomp black people like me. My whole family died of an elephant called Daco.
The waterfall is peaceful like my ass.
Hey Japanese guy, why don't you shut up because we can't hear a word you're saying under your peaceful waterfall ass.